Welcome to Stock Smarts, the channel where we talk about money, investments, and smart decisions for your future. If you're an American considering retiring abroad, you're not alone. And one of the most attractive destinations today, the Philippines. In this video, we'll break down exactly how Americans can retire in the Philippines, the real cost of living, and the best places where you can enjoy your golden years in comfort and style. So why are more and more Americans choosing the Philippines as their retirement destination? The answer is simple. Low cost of living, warm tropical climate, English-speaking population, and a culture that's deeply friendly and hospitable toward foreigners, especially Americans. The country also has long-standing diplomatic ties with the US, and it's one of the few places in Southeast Asia where you'll find American brands, food, and even US military retirees who already made the move. Plus, the Philippines offers special retirement visas for foreigners. If you're 50 and up with a pension, you can apply for a special resident retirees visa or SRRV that allows you to live in the country permanently. Let's talk numbers. Here's what your monthly budget might look like. Rent, you can get a furnished one-bedroom apartment in a good area for $300 to $600. Live outside Manila, and that number drops even lower. Utilities, electricity, water, internet, and phone, around $100 to $150 a month. Food, if you cook at home and eat out moderately, expect to spend around $200 to $300 a month. Transportation, public transport is cheap, and ride-share apps like Grab cost a fraction of US prices. Healthcare, private health insurance starts around $50 to $100 a month, and private hospitals are modern, English-speaking, and much cheaper than in the US. So, all in, you can comfortably retire on $1,200 to $1,800 per month, sometimes even less, depending on your lifestyle. For many Americans living on Social Security, that's game-changing. Now let's look at where to retire. Dumaguete, often called the city of gentle people, Dumaguete is very popular with expats. It's affordable, walkable, and close to the beach. It also has good hospitals and an international community. Baguio, if you don't like the tropical heat, Baguio is in the mountains and offers cool weather year-round. It's known as the summer capital of the Philippines and has a peaceful vibe. Cebu City, if you want modern conveniences without the chaos of Manila, Cebu is a great compromise. It has international flights, world-class hospitals, and beautiful beaches nearby. Iloilo, known for its cleanliness and safety, Iloilo offers culture, charm, and is one of the most underrated places to retire. Subic or Clark, these areas used to be US military bases, so they have American-style infrastructure, wide roads, and more organized systems than many other cities. And of course, Mate, there's Metro Manila if you want access to international schools, malls, embassies, and top-tier hospitals, but it comes at a higher cost. If you want to know more about investing in the stock market and building wealth wherever you are, check out the links down below for our books and online on-demand seminars. These resources will help you take full control of your finances, whether you're in the US, the Philippines, or anywhere in the world. Once you move, you'll want access to your US funds. Many expats keep a US dollar account in Philippine banks for easier transfers. Banks like BDO, BPI, and Security Bank offer USD accounts, and even online platforms like GCash or Maya are becoming more accessible for foreigners. ATMs are everywhere. You can withdraw from your US account using a debit card, although it's best to minimize fees by using international friendly banks like Charles Schwab or Wise. It's also worth considering digital banks in the Philippines for better interest rates and lower fees like CBank or GoTime. Healthcare is a top concern for retirees, and rightfully so. Private hospitals like St. Luke's, Makati Medical Center, and Chonghua in Cebu offer excellent care, with many doctors trained in the US. You can get treatments, checkups, and even surgeries for a fraction of US prices. Safety-wise, most areas in the Philippines are peaceful, especially where expats usually retire. It's important to avoid isolated places or go out late at night in unfamiliar cities, just like you would in any country. Retiring isn't just about saving money, it's about enjoying life, and the Philippines delivers on lifestyle. Imagine waking up near the beach, eating fresh seafood, and spending your afternoons exploring waterfalls, islands, and mountain trails. The Filipino culture is warm and family-centered. Many expats report feeling more welcome and included here than in other countries. Plus, English is widely spoken. That means no language barrier, making it easier to form friendships, navigate the system, and feel at home. One of the most vibrant aspects of Filipino culture is its local festivals and celebrations. Known as fiestas, these events are deeply rooted in tradition and community spirit. Each town and city has its own unique festival, often celebrating a patron saint or historical event. From the colorful Sinulog Festival in Cebu to the Grand Ati-Atihan in Calibo, these celebrations are a feast for the senses. You'll experience lively parades, traditional dances, and mouth-watering local delicacies. Participating in these festivals is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the local culture and make lasting memories. Whether you're dancing in the streets or simply enjoying the festivities, you'll feel a part of something truly special. Thanks for watching Stock Smarts. Retiring in the Philippines is more than just a financial decision. It's a lifestyle upgrade. You get more for less with a community that values relationships, beauty, and simplicity. If you're an American looking for a smart retirement move, the Philippines deserves to be on your list. Don't forget to subscribe, check out our books and seminars linked below, and leave a comment if you're thinking about retiring here or if you're already living in the Philippines. Until next time, this is Stock Smarts, helping you retire smarter.